So what you're seeing now is my Sergeant seat on my 2001 Honda VFR800. It's a two-piece design, and it's a very nice piece of equipment. Here are the saddlebags that are made by Corbin. They're called Beetle bags, and you can see the other one over there. The Sergeant seat is sitting on top of a Corbin seat, and I'm going to show you that seat right now. So the Sergeant seat is two pieces. So there's the pillion, or the bitch seat, as it sometimes is called, and then the front part for the rider, and that's the Corbin. It's a solo seat, and it's designed with a trunk in the back. Give me a second to put this seat down. There we go. Now, notice that it has the same locking mechanism and latch as the Beetle bags because they're sort of a set. And this is nice because it has a little, storage compartment, trunk. And I found it in Germany and got it for a reasonable discount because it's so old. It's never been sold. But to attach it to the VFR with this trunk mount that holds this 45-liter GV case, I had to figure out how to get it to latch, and that took a little shimming. And you notice here it doesn't fit that well. It should actually be more flush right there, and I might try to change that, but right now I've got it shimmed so that the latching mechanism goes far enough down into the trunk area and latches to the bike. But doesn't look that bad to me. It's not perfect, but it'll work. And I can open up this trunk, and there's a place there that could be almost like, say, a tail bag. But that seems to work. You can see here, this is where the interference happens. This plate is in the way of the Smuggler coming all the way down against the body of the bike. And so I shimmed the latching mechanism to make it go deeper. And then I adjusted it just little by little until I got it to latch really securely. And then there's a piece of, I don't know if you can see it very well, right? Let's see if I can point that out right there. This little thing here that you can see right there is a piece of bicycle tire inner tube that I put between this bracket and the body of the Smuggler because that's where it's rubbing, and I'm hoping that will keep it. You can see it better here, right there. And that seems to work, so we'll run with it and see how well we do.